हेलो एवरीवन, मैं आरती। वेलकम टू बायोलॉजी डायरीज। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे पॉलीटीन क्रोमोसोम्स के बारे में। चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं। पॉलीटीन क्रोमोसोम्स, एज द नेम सजेस्ट, पॉली का मतलब क्या होता है? मैनी, टीन मतलब न्यूमरस, काफी सारे क्रोमोसोम्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं। दे आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज जिएंट क्रोमोसोम्स because they consist of thousands of DNA strands. Polytene chromosomes में काफी सारे DNA strands present होते हैं and they were first observed in the salivary glands of the Chironomus larva. Chironomus is an insect. Got it? Here the nucleus is very large because it have to contain large amount of DNA. So nucleus have to be large. Here the chromosomes are 50 to 200 times more than the normal chromosomes. Got it? The chromosome size is 50 to 200 times more, and they are large because due to the high DNA content. That's why they are called as the giant chromosomes. Got it? So how the discovery of polytene chromosomes takes place? They were first observed by a scientist named E.G. Balbiani in 1881 in the salivary glands of the Chironomus larva, and these chromosomes were also known as the salivary gland chromosomes because they were first discovered in the salivary glands. That's why they are called as salivary gland chromosomes. And they are also observed in the Malpighian tubules, in the gut epithelial cells of the diphterian species. In the insect species, they are basically observed. Also in some plant species. So the term polytene, it was given by a scientist named Koller, and these polytene chromosomes are visible in the interphase and the prophase stage of the mitosis. Mitosis की interphase और prophase stage में जो है polytene chromosomes visible होते हैं. अब here the multiple rounds of S phase takes place in case of polytene chromosome. S phase में basically होता क्या है? DNA replication होता है. हम कह सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे multiple rounds of S phase होते हैं. Multiple rounds of DNA replications होते हैं. Got it? So how the polytene chromosomes are formed? They are formed due to the multiple rounds of DNA replication without nuclear division. That's also called as the endomitosis. Because DNA is replicating but without the nuclear division. So we can say the nuclear membrane will remain intact. It doesn't rupture, and there is no spindle formation takes place in case of the polytene chromosomes. So as a result, the daughter chromatids do not separate, they do not segregate, but they remain paired with each other. Daughter chromatids separate नहीं हो पाते और वो अपने आप को पेयर ही रखते हैं. That's why multiple arms can be seen in the polytene chromosomes. So they give rise to polytene chromosomes. So what is the structure of polytene chromosomes? Polytene chromosomes के structure में alternate dark bands and light bands present होते हैं. These bands are formed as the amount of chromatin varies. जहाँ chromatin कम amount ज़्यादा होगा, they are dark bands, और जहाँ पे chromatin का matter जो है कम होगा, they were light interbands. So we can say the region where the concentration of chromatin is high, or we can say the amount of DNA. Chromatin का concentration जहाँ high, that region will appear dark, and that's why they are called as the dark bands. And the region where the concentration of chromatin is low, that region will appear light and also called as the light interbands. Got it? So it is observed that about 95% of the DNA in polytene chromosomes is in the bands. Bands में जो है 95% DNA present होता है, but interbands में it's only 5% of DNA is present. Got it? So here's the difference between the dark and light bands. जो dark bands होते हैं, they are darkly stained, that's why they are called as dark bands. And the light bands are lightly stained, that's why they are called as the light bands. जो dark bands होते हैं, they are basically euchromatin in nature. But light bands जो है वो heterochromatin in nature होते हैं. Dark bands के केस में basic proteins present होते हैं, but in case of light bands, some acidic proteins are present in them. And dark bands observe high amount of UV light. डार्क बैंड जो है काफी सारी अमाउंट ऑफ अल्ट्रावायलेट रेस को जो है ऑब्जर्व कर लेते हैं, बट light bands observe only a little amount of UV light. In case of dark bands, large amount of DNA is present. But in case of light bands, small amount of DNA is present. Here, in case of dark bands, less RNA is present, but in case of more light bands, more amount of RNA is present. Got it? So this is the difference between the light and dark bands. So this is the structure of the polytene chromosomes. This is the entire chromosomes. You can see the dark and the light bands alternating with each other. Here there is new thing is that some region is unpuffed region and some region is puffed region. Why it is? So let's see. In some species of Drosophila, that is our fruit fly के केस में ऑब्जर्व किया गया कि centromeres of all the chromosomes fuse to form a structure called as the chromocenter. Now what is centromere? This is the chromosome and they are attached by a centromere. जब काफी सारे क्रोमोसोम्स के सेंट्रोमियर जो है फ्यूज कर जाते हैं तो दे फॉर्म अ स्ट्रक्चर कॉल्ड एज द क्रोमोसेंटर. इट इज ऑब्जर्व्ड इन केस ऑफ ड्रोसोफिला. और डेवलपमेंट स्टेजेस जब हो रही होती हैं तो कुछ डार्क बैंड्स जो हैं क्रोमोसोम्स के दे स्वेल अप और वी कैन से दे पफ आउट टू फॉर्म पफ्स की फॉर्मेशन हो जाती है और वी कैन से दे आर called as the chromosome puffs or bulbs or the Balbiani rings, because the scientist Balbiani observed them. That's why they are called as Balbiani rings. So the process of formation of puffs is called as the puffing. Why this puffing happens? It happened due to the uncoiling of the individual chromosomes in a band. Bands में जो है इंडिविजुअल क्रोमोसोम्स की अनकॉलिंग के कारण जो है पफिंग हो जाती है, जिसके कारण क्रोमोसोम पफ्स बन जाते हैं. सो दीज पफ्स जो है, ये पफ रीजन जो है, दीज आर द रीजन ऑफ एक्टिव ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. यानी कि हम कह सकते हैं जो पफ्स हैं, दीज आर द एक्टिव साइट्स ऑफ द आरएनए सिंथेसिस. जहाँ पे आरएनए सिंथेसिस काफी ज्यादा रेट पे होता है, दीज आर द रीजन्स. So what is the significance of the polytene chromosomes? Polytene chromosomes are basically they increase the cell volume and ultimately they increase in the DNA content in the cells. So the amount of DNA is high, so there will be high level of gene expression in that organism. With the help of polytene chromosome, we can study the function of genes. It is also used in the chromosome mapping, and we can identify small chromosome mutations of an organisms. Got it? And it is also used in the taxonomic identification. So this is all about my topic. I hope you understand what are polytene chromosomes, their structure, their history behind them, and their significance. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Share your views in comment section. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.